Want to get a check for a forecast with Storm Tracker meteorologist Carson Meredith.
Yeah, so Carson, you're talking about some rain headed our way this weekend, so soak up the sunshine today.
Because a soaker is on the way tomorrow. Gorgeous start to the day on the Way 31 Skycam network on this Friday. Temperatures in the mid-50s, pretty mild start to the day, and those highs eventually heading for 80 this afternoon, more like April instead of November. Nice and quiet, of course, on the Way 31 Storm Tracker early warning radar network. Like we mentioned, upper 70s to near 80. That is where we are heading once again today. For reference, our average high for November 4th is around 68 degrees. And if you're looking for any fall chill anytime soon, well, forget about it, quite frankly. For big game Friday night tonight, first round of the high school football playoffs already. Can you believe it? Very mild for November football. 70 degrees at kickoff tonight, staying in the upper 60s throughout those games. You'll notice clouds starting to move in too. We'll stay dry for those high school football games tonight, but those clouds moving in will be thanks to that cold front that brings that rain on Saturday. College football forecast for Saturday, both the Tide and the Tigers are on the road. Alabama taking on LSU. Big game in Baton Rouge at 6 o'clock tomorrow night. Can't rule out a few stray showers, otherwise mostly cloudy skies, a little bit humid down in Louisiana with those temperatures near 70. And then down in Starkville tomorrow night at 6:30, Auburn taking on Mississippi State. Same story, more clouds than anything else, maybe a couple of lingering showers with those temperatures in the mid-60s for that game. Here we go with future radar. You see some of those thin clouds moving into our neck of the woods later on tonight, but we will stay dry. Let's zoom things out just a bit. We mentioned a few minutes ago there's a chance for significant severe weather today, unfortunately, in Arkansas, Louisiana, and Texas. This is the reason why. Very strong line of storms right along our next cold front, but this line will weaken as it moves into North Alabama. We could still have some heavier downpours in northwest Alabama near sunrise tomorrow morning, but nothing severe. Notice how that rain continues to weaken as it pushes further to the east, but that rain will stay with us throughout the day. More of that light to moderate rain for most of the day tomorrow. Could have a few pockets of dry time Saturday afternoon and even tomorrow night as well. But that cold front, once it gets here, it stops moving. It's just going to park right along I-65, and that means a couple of things. One, we have no cool down at all, and two, we'll keep those shower chances around throughout the overnight hours tomorrow night and even into your Sunday as well. Higher rainfall amounts expected for our western counties, so if you're in the Quad Cities, Russellville, Moulton, maybe Athens and Decatur too, we'll see around a ½ inch to 1 inch of rain this weekend. Further east you go, closer to the Georgia state line, decent rain, yes, but none of this is going to be enough to end our drought. 1/4 to ½ inch likely for areas along I-59, Scottsboro, and Guntersville too. I mentioned this is decent rain, yes, but the drought conditions will likely stay the same. Latest update from the drought monitor yesterday. Good chunk of North Alabama, southern Tennessee still in that moderate drought category. It's going to take several more waves of rain before we see any relief in our drought conditions. 7-day forecast keeps those warm temperatures maybe near record territory by Monday and Election Day Tuesday. And then we drop back just a little bit into the mid-70s by next Wednesday.